Good afternoon. It's 2:35. Workout tayo. Dito tayo sa PR gym. So workout tayo ng chest, back, bicep. Let's go. Seated chest press. Second set. Let's go. Third set, seated chest press. Oh yeah. First set, incline barbell press. Smith machine. Let's go. Flat dumbbell press. Let's do 80 pounds. Off. Let's do 90 pounds. Hey, what's up? Walang ride kasi nag-uulan tulad yung uulan na naman. So workout lang tayo dito sa PR gym. Baka mag-chest bicep lang tayo. Napalaban tayo dun sa dumbbell. 90 pounds. So let's go. Gawin natin yung vertical flies. First set, vertical flies. O yung tinatawag nilang pec deck. Let's go. First set. Third set. We're done sa chest. Ginawa natin seated chest press, incline barbell press using Smith machine. Tapos flat dumbbell press, tapos vertical flies. So sunod natin is bicep. Unahin natin yung alternate dumbbell curl, preacher curl, o bicep curl, tsaka hammer. Reset lang tayo sa bicep. So pahinga muna tayo. we're done. It's 3:30, so isang oras tayo mahigit nag-workout. And then shoutout ko lang ang FGDM Advertising kay Boss Edwin tsaka kay Ma'am Melania. Maraming salamat sa sponsor natin si Sticker. And then pakipalo yung page ng FGDM Advertising. Siya tayo mag-workout dito sa PRG, nag-chest bicep lang tayo. So hopefully tomorrow makapag-gym ulit tayo. So bye-bye everyone and God bless. Bye-bye.